Hi, I'm Jim with Marine Electronics Installation. I'm here today to talk to you about a selection of radar for your boat. First of all, you need to answer the question, do you need a radar? If you're going to be boating where there's a lot of fog, or you're going to boat at night, or perhaps you're looking for birds while you're offshore fishing, the answer may be yes. You also need to know if there's a mounting location on your boat to support a radar. Many times there's a T-top, an arch, or a mast that a radar can be mounted to. Types of radars. There are two main types of radars, open array and dome. There are many varieties of open arrays and domes. There are digital, analog, Doppler, FM, and several other new technologies out there. We'll get into those in future videos. Radar is primarily a line of sight unit. What this means is small objects, other boats, personal watercraft can usually be seen on a radar up to a maximum of the line of sight where the horizon stops. Tall buildings, heavy rainfall, large ships can be seen beyond that because they're sticking up higher. Many MFDs will allow you to overlay the radar on top of your chart plotter. This can be useful if you're navigating an unknown area. You can actually see the landmass and you can see other objects that are not connected to land, moving objects. Some of the new radars are actually Doppler radars. They can show moving targets in different colors. Many times to overlay there's additional equipment that is needed other than just the radar hooked up to your chart plotter or MFD. This is something you can discuss with your installation tech and see if there's additional needs to overlay it. Some differences between the open array and the dome radars. Open arrays are physically much larger. They have a spinning antenna on top that can entangle fishing lines. You have to make sure there's plenty of room and support to mount them as they're physically larger and heavier. Open arrays have a much narrower beam. The energy is focused, so they can reach further distances, and they can also display smaller targets better. The open array has better resolution because of the narrow beam. What this means is if you have two boats that are very close together, many times a lower resolution dome radar will show them as one large target, where an open array radar may show them as two individual targets. So to wrap things up, here's a list of what you need to know to determine if you need radar or not and what type of radar is best for your boat.